Heal in India initiative highlight in the India-Fiji Memorandum of Understanding. Preface. The Indian government Heal in India initiative aims to establish India as a global hub for medical and wellness tourism by integrating modern and traditional healthcare, including Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy systems. The initiative promotes value-based healthcare, attracts international patients through a comprehensive patient-centric journey, and leverages a single window Heal in India portal to facilitate medical value travel by providing transparent information on hospitals, procedures, and pricing. Key aspect of the Heal in India initiative: comprehensive healthcare ecosystem. The initiative leverages India's advanced capability in modern medicine such as cardiology, oncology, and orthopedics, alongside its rich heritage of traditional systems like Ayurveda and Yoga. Global positioning. The goal is to position India as a leading global destination for the medical and wellness tourism, offering cost-effective treatment and holistic healing experience. Facilitation portal. A dedicated Heal in India portal is being developed to serve as the single window platform for international patients, providing access to information about accredited healthcare providers, available procedures, and transparent pricing. Integrated approach. The initiative involves collaboration between various stakeholders, including the central and state governments, industry and facilitator, and medical value travel. Promotional activity. Efforts include roadshow, orientation of Indian mission abroad, and coordination with insurance companies to create a supportive environment for medical value travel. Focus on quality and trust. The initiative is built on the Indian philosophy of seva, service, and Atithi Devo Bhava. The guest is God, to ensure a patient-centric and high-quality experience for international travelers. Heal by India component. Healthcare workforce mobility. The initiative also encompasses the Heal by India component, which focuses on mobility of Indian healthcare professional abroad. Heal by India portal. A related portal allows for the voluntary registration of verified healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, dentists, and pharmacists to connect with them with for prospective international stakeholders for providing healthcare service globally. Conclusion. Fiji Gate gain under Heal in India initiative due to India-Fiji Memorandum of Understanding. One-third population of Fiji is Indian origin. They do work in sugarcane agriculture. Fiji Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka visit India and do agreement with Indian government and make many announcements. India-Fiji MOU has 8 points and has 17 announcements, wherein one point is the Heal in India initiative. This initiative launched by Government of India in 2018. Heal in India initiative highlight come in the news by people discussion when Prime Minister of Fiji visit to India and make memorandum of understanding between these two countries. Fiji has a one-third population of Indian origin, and these people get benefited by this Heal in India initiative. This is the very important 2-day visit Fiji Prime Minister to India, and he appreciate Prime Minister Modi and called he is the great man and India is the great nation. To Fiji is the has luck to make understanding, make memorandum of understanding with India and make announcement. He and India make 8 point of bilateral announcement, bilateral agreement, and 17 announcement point of 17 announcement. This is the very important official trip to India, and Fiji and India make very important. This is the very important strong relationship, very ancient relationship between India and Fiji. Talking with DD News of India national channel, Prime Minister of Fiji say he don't want to any military base to in its own nations. Fiji located in South Pacific Ocean where China impressive impact on their South Pacific Ocean. When correspondent asked him to what he want to military base in the Chinese military base in the its own nation, then he denied. Prime Minister of Fiji denied to he not want to military base in the south its own nation. Fiji location is very important for India because India want to search in South Pacific Ocean. India do many research and development in Pacific Ocean with Australia and Oceania country. Therefore, for this perspective, Fiji is the very important nations and will become very important partner. Therefore, India by this vision, India make a bilateral agreement and make announcement